In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Genspark Slides to PDF. If you need a clean, shareable version of your deck that looks the same on any device, exporting to PDF is the quickest and most reliable way to go. First, open your slide deck in Genspark. Head to the project page that contains the specific deck you want to export and make sure you're looking at the correct version. Give your slides a quick scan to confirm everything is up to date. PDFs reflect exactly what's on the screen at the moment of export, so it's worth double-checking titles, images, and the final slide order before you move on. Next, look for the export or download option inside Genspark. This is typically found in the top menu or near the file options. When you open the export menu, you'll see choices for different formats. Genspark usually offers PDF, and in many cases, PPTX or a format compatible with Google Slides. For our purpose today, you'll select the PDF option. Go ahead and click Export as PDF. Genspark will begin generating a static PDF of your slides. That means no animations, transitions, embedded videos, or audio will carry over. What you get is a page-by-page snapshot of your deck, which is ideal for printing, emailing, or archiving. Depending on the size of your deck and the number of images, the export can take a few moments, so give it a little time to process. You may see a progress indicator while it prepares the file. Once the export is ready, download the PDF to your computer. Choose a folder where you keep project materials so it's easy to find later, and consider renaming the file with a clear version label and date to avoid confusion. After it finishes downloading, open the PDF to confirm everything looks correct. Flip through each page, check image clarity, and make sure text spacing and alignment look the way you expect. If something appears off, return to your Genspark deck, make the necessary tweaks, and export again. A quick tip to keep in mind: many users find that PDF exports from Genspark are quite consistent, even if PPTX or other export formats occasionally show layout shifts. If you're sharing slides with clients, teammates, or stakeholders who don't need to edit the deck, PDF is often the safest and most polished choice. And that's it. Open your deck, use the export menu, choose Export as PDF, and download your file. With these steps, you'll have a crisp, dependable version of your Genspark slides ready to share anywhere.